Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And today what I'd like to do is to share with y'all what's in my Pickleball Club business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll zip through my little presentation and I will show you what's included in the Word document as well as the Excel file of the Pickleball business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the start of the show, which is the Pickleball Club business plan template. So if and when you do purchase the template, it does come with a Word document as well as an Excel file, which holds the financial model. And once you open up the Word document, you'll be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they'll do is they'll get rid of this heading right here, and then they'll go ahead and put a logo or their company name, and then they'll leave business plan underneath. The next section is going to be your table of contents. Once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, you expand the template with your information. You'll want to come back to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update the Table, click on Update the entire table, click on OK, and then the headers and the page numbers will update accordingly. The third section is going to be the executive summary section. I do use a little bit of AI to generate a description for the Pickleball Company summary. Again, it's all editable. Just put your information in here. Also, to round out the executive summary, it summarizes your target market, your financial highlights, and your funding request as well. And then now we've got our company description. Again, I used AI for the Pickleball Club summary. And then for product description is where you're going to go ahead and describe your products and services. It comes with a competitive advantage segment, primary target market, pricing strategy, starting point, hours of operation, location information, objectives, and a timeline for your business as well. And now we've got our industry research. For the industry research, I did research the gym, health, and fitness club industry. I use IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. So I summarized their report, and then I give you some highlights from the report as well in reference to revenues, wages, and profits. The next section is going to be the products and service segmentation. Just shows where the revenues are generated in the industry. I've got your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. To edit the smart art, you just click on it, click on this little arrow, and then you go ahead and make your adjustments out here. The next section is going to be the organizational structure. This is going to be the legal structure, and then this is going to be the organizational chart. We are now at the marketing section. The marketing section, I just give you some good starting points for the main marketing channels that are typical, which is going to be your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Our next section is going to be the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started, the term of the loan that you're expecting, and then a range of interest rates as well. And then the final section is going to be your financial projections, your profit and loss for year one, broken down monthly as well as quarterly for the first year. And we've got month 12 through month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Then we've got month 7 through 9, quarter 3, and then 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we have our income statement, pro forma income statement, which just summarizes your revenues, your cost, and your net profits for the next 5 years annually. All right, once we're done with that, the next section is going to be our, we're going to take a look at the financial model. And for the financial model, we'll do that just in the next section. And finally, we have the Excel financial model for the Pickleball Club business plan template. So when you do open up the financial model, it's going to have 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and then your income statement tab. I do provide y'all with tutorials on how to use this, so I'm going to be brief and run through this pretty quick. So on the information tab, this is the tab you're going to make all your changes, and you can make changes to your monthly sales, you can make changes to your labor, your startup costs, you'll be able to make some changes to your monthly fixed cost, your growth rates for revenues as well as for your monthly costs, and then your loan information, you can change the interest rate and the term as well. The projection tabs just summarizes your revenues, your costs, and your expenses for the next 5 years. Gives you a nice little chart if you want to use that in the business plan template. And then for the profit and loss segment, I broke it up into quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. All you do when you update your information page, once you're done with that, you just copy and paste each one of these financial statements into your business plan. And on this tab is going to be your income statement tab. All right. Hopefully this information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.